At Osirium, we continue to expand our support for the business stack, the layers of technology that business applications run on. The database is an important part of that stack, and we already support tasks for various database operations. But today, I'd like to show you how we've extended that to single sign-on for MS SQL.
There we go, full MS SQL support.
Yeah, ready for 4.1, so we should probably tell people what it's all about.
Fair play, Matt. We've definitely had a few requests for it.
MS SQL is not an easy protocol to build an Osirium proxy for. Whereas other protocols are built with proxies and other layers in mind, MS SQL is all about the Microsoft SQL Studio talking directly to the SQL server over a secure transport layer.
But we still do it the Osirium way, where we isolate the login credentials from the end user, but they still get the full SQL Studio experience.
So why is this good for the customer?
Well, most customer deployments have a handful of high privilege accounts on their database servers. Whoever has access to these accounts can make small but damaging changes that are really hard to trace. It's the most subtle insider attack. Should a third party get hold of these accounts, the results can be really unpleasant.
It's a good job we got session recording working for MS SQL as well then. Let's look at a demo from the customer's point of view.
Right, so in Osirium we have this user Dennis McDemo who's in this profile, and there you can see we've just added the database tool. That one there's the device. Let's log in as Dennis McDemo.
So as Tom does this, he's authenticating to the Osirium server. Once done, he's got an identified secure tunnel to Osirium. Of course, Osirium could take his credentials and check them against another authentication service such as Active Directory.
We're in, and here's the list of devices that I can access. There's the MS SQL server. I'll choose that one.
So the Osirium desktop client launches SQL Studio with a connection to Osirium. The Osirium server accepts the connection and makes another connection onto the database server with its own credentials. Once the account is authenticated, it proxies back to Dennis McDemo.
So now I can operate SQL Studio on the database with full privilege, but without knowledge of the administrative credentials. And whilst I'm working, Osirium's even recording my session. What's great is that I'm on my system with all my resources using my version of SQL Studio. This is so much better than going through a jump box with a run list of passwords.
So not only are you more secure, you've got the added benefit of great usability.
And actually with Osirium we can take this one level higher. Because we have Osirium managing the database credentials, we can arrange for Osirium to regularly refresh the password at maximum strength.
So you're more secure, it's more usable, the session's being recorded, and all your passwords are being managed for you.
MS SQL single sign-on, security and session recording. With Osirium, that's a job done tick. Please get in touch if you'd like to find out how Osirium can help you.